Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to handle the checkbox in Selenium. Let's get started. So this is the web page where we are going to write the script. So we can see two cases. One is click the basic checkbox. So we need to click this checkbox. And the second one is choose your favorite language. In here we can select multiple checkboxes. So we can write the script for these two cases. First, let's start with this basic checkbox click. So go to your script, go to your package, right click, select new, and then select class. Give the class name. And select this checkbox and click on finish. Now launch the browser first. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Then open the web page, driver.get. Here we need to paste the URL. Copy here and paste. Now we need to import the Firefox driver. Now we need to identify the web element. For that, write web element, select checkbox equal to driver.find by. Now we can go back to the web page and see which locator is available. So right click from this checkbox, go to inspect. Here we don't have ID or name, so we can use XPath. So right click from this tag, go to copy and select copy XPath. Then here by dot XPath, inside double quotes we need to paste the XPath value, and then we need to remove this double quotes and give single quotes. Here put a semicolon. Then before that we need to import the web element. Now we need to just click the checkbox. So it's a simple function. Select checkbox dot click off. Now let's run the script. Yeah, the basic checkbox is checked. Now let's write the script to select more than one checkbox. Choose your favorite language. So here we can select Java and Python. Okay, so let's identify the locator first. Find the web element, select Java. This is just a variable name. You can give any variable name. Equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. Inside double quotes. Then go to your web page. Right click from this checkbox near to Java. Select inspect. And right click from this tag. Copy and copy XPath. Just paste here. And then remove the double quotes and put single quotes. The same click function we need to use here also. Select Java dot click off. Then the second one is we need to write for Python. So here also web element, select Python equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath inside double quotes. Then identify the XPath for Python. Right click inspect, copy XPath and paste here, and then remove double quotes and put single quotes. Here we need to put the semicolon at the end, and then call this variable select Python dot again click off. Now let's run the script. Now both the checkboxes are clicked, so it ran very fast. So let's add a delay, thread dot sleep. Here we can add 4 seconds. Actually this thread dot sleep is not a standard method, so for your understanding I am just adding this thread dot sleep. Now run the script again. So basic checkbox is checked, Java is selected, then after 3 seconds Python will select. Yeah. So hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoteTech. Thank you.